Are you ready to make this the most exciting 4th of July yet? Your pool is the hub of family fun activity during the summer months, and you're always looking for ways to add more excitement to your backyard fun. At HTH, we are experts at creating premium pool products. We have a unique product that will make your summer pool parties the best yet. Introducing HTH Party Potion. With just a few easy steps, this product will transform your pool into a radiant shade of blue that will be unlike anything your friends and family have ever seen. HTH Party Potion works with any type of pool surface and is compatible with all pool sanitizers. So no matter how you clean your pool, Party Potion will work for you. Using HTH Party Potion is simple, easy, and fun. Apply 1 ounce of this product for every 10,000 gallons into your pool skimmer, and in just 2 hours, you'll be able to watch your pool transform into a stunning shade of blue. At HTH, we want your family to have an exciting summer, and we live by our slogan, "You take care of the kids, we'll take care of the pool." We're dedicated to creating memorable experiences for you and your family, and have been doing so for over 80 years. This 4th of July, amp up your pool events with HTH Party Potion. It's the perfect product for displaying your American pride. Let's turn this party blue. Visit a local retailer near you by clicking on the retailer location button at www.hthpools.com.